Hello everyone, I am Sunkireddy Jawahar Reddy from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today my topic is special report. Can we copy the brain from animal intelligence to artificial intelligence? And the subject, the topic is from is principles of artificial intelligence, and I am from branch information technology A section. Now let us see this topic. Can we copy the brain? So now let us see the introduction of my topic, which is can we copy the brain. Welcome to this presentation on the complexity of intelligence, both natural and artificial. As we delve into the intricacies of the human brain and explore the potential of artificial intelligence, we will uncover fascinating insights into the nature of intelligence itself. From the animal kingdom to the cutting edge technology of today, we will examine the different forms of intelligence that exist and question what it truly means to be intelligent. Join us on this journey of discovery as we explore the mysterious of the mind. The brain, a complex organ. So, the brain is very important organ and complex organ of a human or any of the living thing. For example, tiger, dog, anything, any of the living thing has a brain, and it is very complex organ. The human brain is an incredible complex organ made up of billions of neurons and trillions of synapses. It is responsible for everything from our thoughts and emotions to our ability to move and sense the world around us. Okay, so the brain is responsible for everything from our thoughts and emotions to our ability to move and sense the world around us. So the brain is responsible for finding Tesla. So the brain is responsible for finding Instagram. So the brain is only responsible for all of these things, and the brain is also responsible for using Instagram. The brain is also responsible for riding a bike. Brain is responsible for riding a car. So everything that we do, the brain is only responsible for it. The brain is responsible for we eat. So the brain is responsible that we sleep. So the brain is very important organ of our body, and it is responsible for anything or everything that we do in our daily life. At its core, the brain works by processing information through electrical and chemical signals. In our brain, it processes information through electrical and chemical signals inside our brain. So it is some of the technical side, and neurons communicate with each other through these signals, so which are electrical and chemical signals, creating complex networks that allow us to think, learn, and remember. So neurons communicate with each other through these signals, creating complex networks that allow us to think, learn, and remember. So this is the brain, a complex organ. Now let us see the next slide. Animal intelligence. Animals have long been a subject of fascination for scientists and researchers, particularly when it comes to their intelligence. While many animals exhibit impressive problem solving skills and social behaviors, the question remains, how does their intelligence compare to our own? For example, if we consider a chimpanzee, so in a video that I have seen this chimpanzee, in which the chimpanzee was sitting in front of a television, and the television so in television there is a display of a square box, so which has a boxes, so the square boxes in the form of chess. So in that, some particular boxes were colored into white and another are left alone. So after some time, what happens is that they will display that white, and they will off the screen. And after offing the screen, the chimpanzees were able to find wherever the white spots were displayed. So this is the this is the intelligence of the chimpanzee compared to humans. So we as a humans, we can't remember this. So only chimpanzees can remember this. So this is the animal intelligence. Studies have shown that some animals possess remarkable cognitive abilities, such as tool use, communication, and even self awareness. However, it is important to remember that animal intelligence cannot be directly compared to human intelligence. They are simply different. Our unique ability to reason, plan, and imagine sets us apart from the rest of the animal kingdom. So, studies have shown that some animals possess remarkable cognitive abilities such as tool use, communication, and even self awareness. However, it is important to remember that animal intelligence cannot be directly compared to human intelligence. They are simply different. Our unique ability to reason, plan, and imagine sets up apart from the rest of the animal kingdom. So, that's why we are ahead of the animal kingdoms. So, each animal is having different intelligence, and so every animal has their own set of skills, own set of intelligence. And so why humans are ahead of all these animals is because they can, as humans we can reason, plan, and imagine sets. So that is what differs us from animal kingdom. Artificial intelligence has come a long way since its inception. With advancements in technology, we are now able to create machines that can mimic human behavior and thought processes. So, for example, Sophia. So, Sophia is a humanoid robot which can mimic the human behavior. So, it can give answers to our questions and question our answers. So, Sophia is a humanoid robot, so which can mimic the human behavior. So, this is the technology advancement. However, the question remains, can artificial intelligence truly compare to animal and human intelligence? While machines can process vast amounts of data at lightning speed, they lack the emotional intelligence and creativity that is inherent in living beings. So, as humans, we can't process vast amounts of data at lightning speed. So, we are able to think, reason, imagine, but we are not able to uh, process the data very fast. We can't remember the numbers fastly. We can't even remember the phone numbers. So the machines are quite opposite to this thing. So machine can process the data in lightning speed. They can remember the data. They can do anything, but they lack in the emotional intelligence and creativity. Can we copy the brain? The question of whether or not we can replicate the human brain in an artificial form is a complex and thought provoking one. While we have made significant strides in the field of artificial intelligence, the brain remains one of the most intricate and mysterious organs in the human body. One of the challenges of copying the brain is that it is not just a collection of neurons and synapses. It is also influenced by a variety of external factors such as experiences and emotions. Replicating these factors in an artificial form is a daunting task that requires a deep understanding of both biology and technology. So the combination of biology and technology is the mimicking of brain. So we need to know the biology, technology, so how actually the brain works. No one knows how really the brain functions. In brain several things happen, and we can't say that particular thing is responsible for this thing, so like that. So it is hard, it is actually hard to copy the brain. uh, in conclusion, we have explored the complexity of the brain and its intelligence compared to animals and artificial intelligence. We have also examined the question of whether or not we can replicate the human brain in an artificial form. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology and our understanding of the brain, it is important to consider the ethical implications of these advancements. Will we be able to control the power of artificial intelligence, or will it control us? These are questions that we must grapple with as we move forward. So, this is the topic all about can we copy the brain. So special report, can we copy the brain from animal intelligence to artificial intelligence? So we have seen the introduction, we have discussed the brain complex organ, so how actually the brain works. So in brain there will be electrical and chemical signals, how actually we differ from animals, and how actually animals think and how actually humans think, and why humans are ahead of another animal kingdoms, how actually animal intelligence will be, and the final question, how can we copy the brain? So it is not possible. It will be possible, it may be possible in future, but now it is not possible, because it is the thinking, it is the ability to understand the biology and technology hand in hand, so both should go in hand in hand. So this is all about can we copy the brain, and we have seen the conclusion. Thank you.